I've heard so many times that as a raw vegan, you don't even need to brush your teeth. Welcome back, y'all, for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate. I just wanted to hop on here, make this short little video, you guys, talking about some dental care. All right, we got to be taking care of our chompers. These, you guys, are the best juicers we were ever given. We don't even, sometimes we're thinking, what's the best juicer out there? And it's incredible because these teeth right here, this is what I learned from John Kohler, and it makes perfect sense. These are the best juicers right here. Just chew your food, and that's how you can extract the juice. Dental care is very important. Doesn't matter what kind of diet or lifestyle you follow, taking care of our teeth is very, very important. We should be really, best practice, of course, is to, like we've all heard growing up, floss your teeth and brush twice a day, right? For at least 2 minutes, 30-second per quadrant, right? So there's 2 minutes. Well, I have found that a water pick is really incredible, incorporated with some dental floss. But the water pick has really, really changed the game for me, because there was times where I would floss and then I would use my water pick trying to get, just to see what else is coming out. And man, there would be a lot more stuff coming out. So be sure, I know that's kind of gross, but be sure to take care of your teeth. Doesn't matter what diet or lifestyle you follow, we gotta be taking care of our teeth. We only get the one set. Well, I guess we get two, because we have our adolescent teeth, which all fall out, and then we have the adult teeth for the rest of our lives, like, maybe 70 years, right? Around there. So we have to be taking care of these, and it's really, really incredible how many people have dental issues. Doesn't matter what diet or lifestyle you follow, so many people have dental issues. Like, I think it's basically like almost 100% of the people these days have some sort of dental issue, in the sense of like cavity, or maybe some, even if you don't have any cavities, sometimes that isn't necessarily the best thing either, they say, because of, something else is going on in your mouth, like the gum health. So many people have so many dental issues these days. It's absolutely incredible. And I get messages quite often talking about, like, if I, brush my teeth, or if I, do any kind of dental care, because I'm a raw vegan. Like, as a raw vegan, don't you not need to brush your teeth? Kind of like it's just your natural diet, the species specific diet, and you don't need to brush your teeth. Well, at this day and age, a lot of us grow up with foods that aren't necessarily the best foods. So that's what starts a lot of us having dental issues in, just growing up eating junky foods and not taking care of our teeth really well. So as a raw vegan, I still brush my teeth twice a day, at least twice a day. There are some times I carry a toothbrush in my backpack. There are some times I may swish out my mouth and just kind of do a quick brush, because sometimes you can, I know this is kind of gross, but you can kind of, feel a little film over your teeth. And that just, I don't know, I don't really like that. So I definitely like to keep them clean. So it's really important, my friends, to floss, brush, and get a water pick. If you guys haven't ever tried water picking, a water pick, what it is just a high-powered stream of water, and you can kind of like just go, right next to each tooth, and it just squirts in between your teeth. Flossing is good, but if you picture flossing, if you have something stuck in your teeth and the floss goes down through your teeth, sometimes it can cram it into the gums. So that's where I like water picking. I only use floss if I absolutely have to, if something is really stuck, but I water pick every day, twice a day. In the morning, I'll do a quick water pick and a quick brush right before, any kind of breakfast, sometimes after my water, and then of course in the evening. So no matter what diet or lifestyle you follow, you guys, take care of your teeth. We only get the one set. So that's one of the, things that is so important, especially as a raw foodie. We're eating, some people eating dry fruits, or lots of dry fruits, or just lots of fruits in general. And it's not necessarily the sugar that is causing tooth decay. There's a bacteria that form, and those bacteria are doing their thing, and they ingest food and they excrete, right? They have waste, and it's the waste that is really, it's pretty gross when you think about it. That's really what is causing dental issues. A lot of dental issues is the waste. And of course, I didn't do research. I don't have a piece of paper here so I can spit off all kinds of facts to you guys about dental care. And I have tapped into it because I've got some dental issues. I had mercury fillings growing up, and I wanted to get those mercury fillings removed because I started to learn about the off-gassing, and of course wanting to grow a good healthy gut microbiome. This off-gassing can help really kind of kill some of our microbiome. So I wanted to get that amalgam removed, and that's when I really started to dig into some books and watching some documentaries and was like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely incredible how we have so many dental issues, and I can't believe they're even still using amalgam fillings. Amalgam fillings are the metal fillings, which are like 50% mercury, and then there's like tin and aluminum and copper and all kinds of different things that they put in there to fill the hole that they drill out of your tooth if you have a cavity, right? So it is so important to take care of your teeth. I have definitely a few friends who have really messed up the enamel on their teeth because they eat a lot of citrus and they think they're just fine. And so for years, they didn't really brush their teeth. They would just maybe swish with water, and it kind of ruined the enamel on their teeth, which makes their teeth very sensitive. Even just eating lettuce is like nails on the chalkboard because of how sensitive their teeth are. Or say eating a lot of dates. Dates are another thing. It's a real gooey, sugary, and it just gets down into the cracks and crevices of your teeth. So it's really important, my friends, to take care of your teeth. Does not matter if you're a raw foodie or you're a plant-based or you're vegan or you're just omnivorous, whatever. Take care of your teeth. It's the only set we have. So that's what I wanted to hop on here and say, you guys, just to remind, just a friendly reminder, invest in a water pick and take care of those chompers. We only get the one set. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it around with your friends just to remind them to take care of your teeth. We only have the one set. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell for notifications for new uploads. I really appreciate you guys coming in and giving me some feedback on what you think. Maybe you guys have had some dental issues or you guys have found out some tips and tricks. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to hop on here and just give you that friendly reminder. So until next time, you guys, love you.